Hello everyone and welcome to a new introduction video from BIMobject. I am Laura and today I will show you some new products available from EMMETI, an international manufacturer of MEP products such as ball valves, radiators valves, brass fitting and multi-layer pipes. We are working on Revit today, and for example we have to start working on an MEP system. Let's start searching for a press fitting for our multi-layer pipe. We can use the integrated BIMobject app to browse the products available on the cloud. Since we are working in Revit, the app will filter for Revit families and files automatically. We can use the free search tool and see the options available, or search direct for the brand EMMETI. We choose the female elbow with flange and take a look deeper into the information available on the product page, which are delivered both in Italian and in English. There are description, specification text, links to EMMETI website where we can find further information, like here. If we go back to the product page and check, we can check classifications, if the product is available in our country, and some other properties. When we think we might need this product in the future, we can also save it in our BIM board, the list of our personal product. Here we find the BIM supply version of the product, a simplified 3D preview where we can see an idea of the 3D, and most important, the technical information included in the BIMobject. Now it's time to download it, so we click on the download button. EMMETI files are delivered for Revit 2015, so if you're running a newer version, Revit will automatically update the object. Now we have the fitting ready to be placed in the project file with the pipes we already downloaded. Thanks to the connectors and the object types, it will automatically fit to the correct pipe with the proper size. Here we can see when the sizes doesn't match, while if we change pipe, we find that they match and that the fittings sets himself with the proper size. If we click on the type properties, we can see the information delivered by EMMETI. We can also take a look to the 3D and see better the product geometry. Remember that you can always check for updates, extended properties, and go back to the product page to the BIMobject app if you need to. It's all for today. Feel free to download and try EMMETI products in your latest projects, and let us know what you think about them. See you soon!